Beat detection analyzes audio and places markers at every beat on your timeline, so you can easily move your clips to sync perfectly to the beat of the music. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna introduce another new AI feature in HitPaw Edimakor, which is beat detection. I have 3 ways for you to mark your audio at every beat in both the slow version and the fast version. And by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a video like this. I don't waste your time, so let's go. Now, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it, you can click the link that I put in the description area. Method 1. After you open HitPaw Edimakor, you can find beat detection here, or you can find it in the toolbox under AI tools. Click beat detection and select the music you want to mark the beat. Now you will find the audio has been marked and placed in the timeline automatically. You will see that the audio is marked as a fast version. You can simply change it to the slow version here. You may wonder what is the difference between the fast version and the slow version. Now look, this is a comparison of the same audio that is marked as a fast version and a slow version. You can see that the fast version has more markings and is more compact, while the slow version is more sparse and spread out. This is a comparison of videos that were edited using the fast-paced version and the slow-paced version. Okay, let's keep going. Method 2. Import or download the music you want to mark and drag it to the timeline. Now, select the music and right-click. Choose beat detection, and you can see there are fast and slow for you to choose from. Choose one you like, and you have your audio marked. Method 3. Select the audio in the timeline. In the right panel, find beat detection and activate it. Isn't that easy? With the audio being marked, you can easily move your clips to sync perfectly to the beat of the music, just like this. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Next week, I will introduce you to another new AI feature in HitPaw Edimakor, which is vocal remover. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comments section. See you in the next video.